Okay, hi, this is Sam Richman, and I'm going to be solving problems from quiz number 0. So I'll get started with problem 1, which is the equation y equals e to the t sine t, and it'll just be taking derivatives. So there's the original equation. So all we're going to be doing first is using the product rule. So y prime equals the derivative of e to the t, which is e to the t, times sine t plus e to the t times the derivative of sine t, which is cosine t. Continuing. Oh my god. Oh no, I can't think right now. But yeah, that basically simplifies to e to the t times sine t plus cosine t. Problem 1, you could simplify because, sine plus cosine, or I guess sine squared plus cosine squared, but we'll leave it at that. So my final answer would be e to the t times sine t plus cosine t. All right. Okay. Problem 2. Okay. Problem 2, still derivatives, is y equals cosine of natural log of t. So we're going to use a chain rule for this one. So here's our equation. We're going to start and we're going to go y prime equals negative sine times natural log of t times the derivative. So that's, taking the derivative of the outside, then we take the derivative of the inside, which would be the derivative of ln, which would be 1 over t, which then would just come out to, is it negative? No. Well, it's cosine, so it's negative. Yeah, so negative sine, you can see, negative sine ln t times 1 over t, which then would simplify to negative sine ln t over t. And that would be our final answer right there. I guess you could say, it's a derivative. You could say plus t. And that would apply to the first one, so you would say plus t, I believe. But yeah, plus c for both. I'll do that in my third one. Okay, moving on. My whiteboard's all dirty now. Okay, problem 3. We are now integrating, so it is the integral of dx over x. Bang. So what we can do is we can actually change this to be the integral of 1 over x dx, which I guess is the same thing. It just helps me to think about it that way. It makes it easier for my brain to process. Just because, I don't know. So if you know from the last one, all we have to do is now it will be natural log of the absolute value of x plus c. Bang. Cool. Believe the next problem is also integration. This is okay. So problem 4, we are integrating t squared times e to the 4t cubed dt. Okay, so for this problem, we're going to use u sub, and we are going to sub u is going to equal 4t cubed, which means that du is going to equal 12t squared. Bada boom. So this also means that, sorry, oh my god, I'm blanking. Oh, wait, that was wrong. So du equals 12t squared dt, which means that if you divide out, oh my god, I'm blanking. Sorry, we need to put it in terms of u, so you divide out the 12, so you get du over 12 equals t squared dt, which is our substitution right there. Okay, so this gives us, the integral of 1/12 times, or sorry, you could just do e, but 1/12 times e to the u du. Bang. Cool. And so at that point, I believe we just simplify. Yeah, so you just simplify out from that. So you would get e to the u plus 1 over that. Or no, sorry, I'm just having a day. You use e to the u, so it just comes out to being 1/12 e to the u plus c. But that actually changes because now you have to resub back in. So now it would be 1/12 e to the 4t cubed, because that was the original substitution, plus c. Bada boom. Alrighty. Now we got to do number 5. Okay. Number 5 is a simplified problem. So we are simplifying cosine squared of 2x minus 1 plus sine squared 2x plus tan. Oh god, am I not gonna have enough room for this? Yeah, okay, I'm probably gonna have to write it sideways. Yeah, I'll just write smaller. It's okay. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay. Cosine squared 2x minus 1 plus sine squared 2x plus tangent of 2x minus cosine x times 1. If it's times 1, is that what it says? It really says times 1 over sine x. Wow. Okay. Times 1 over sine x, I guess. Well, okay. We can start by just simplifying. Oh my goodness. I'm having such a day right now. Well, start by simplifying cosine x times 1 over sine x. Just simplifies to negative tangent x. We can also simplify, so we know that cosine squared of 2x minus 1 equals negative sine squared of 2x. This also means that cosine squared of 2x minus 1 plus sine squared 2x equals 0. This is where we're at so far. Okay, so this leaves us with, when we substitute in, tangent of 2x minus cosine x over sine x, which just equals tangent of 2x minus cotangent of x, and that is what we're going to leave, so it should equal tan 2x minus cotangent of x. Just erase this bit. Bang. Cool. Last problem. Alright, so our last problem is problem 6, which is ln of t cubed minus 2ln of t plus natural log of t minus e. Alrighty, let's get to work. Okay, so the first thing we can do is combine our logs. So we do ln of t cubed plus ln of, we can do that minus first. Yeah, subtract. Yeah, you changed. Sorry. I should make that as a step because it's actually a very important step to include. Okay. So first we have to change 2 ln t to be ln t squared because the coefficient can become the exponent for the parts. So then we have ln t cubed minus ln t squared plus ln of t minus e. Okay, cool. So then what we can do when you subtract the two natural logs, you can put one over the other. So we have ln of t cubed over t squared equals ln, plus ln of t minus e. Okay, this is what we have so far. Yeah, so now this just simplifies to natural log of t plus natural log of t minus e. And what we can do here is when you add them together, they actually multiply the things on the inside. So that would be natural log of t times t minus e. And bada bam, there's your answer. All right. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know if there's anything I need to update or change, if anything wasn't correct enough or simplified enough. Goodbye.